Assalamu'alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Hafizah Salsabilla and my student number is 21029153. I'm from Math Education Class A. Okay, I will explain about tips and tricks describing data. Step 1. Analyze the task and data. Step 1.A. Static data or dynamic data. The difference is that static data show one time scale only, while movement data show a number of different time scales. Step 1.B. Pay attention to the axis show. Pay attention is the time scale on one axis, for example, year, month, hour, and others. If there is a time scale, it will show past, present, future, or a combination. Then units that can be displayed, for example, people or degrees Celsius or price. Step 2. Observe the data. Step 2.A. Group the data. Pay attention to data sets that are similar to each other. Step 2.B. Identify trend and exception. When you have decided on a data set, identify the trend and exception that the group represents. Trend means a pattern that is common or shared by a group. The exception is group or element that behave differently from the trend. Step 2.C. Select the main feature using figure. It's important to avoid the error of listing only the number you see on the graph. You may not plot number in order from left to right or from top to bottom. You must demonstrate that you can group data, identify trend exception, and select K number if the examiner fails. Step 3. Writing the essay. Step 3.A. Write the introduction sentence. Take the explanatory part of the task instruction and paraphrase it in your own words. Step 3.B. Write the main body paragraph. Explain the group trends, give select figure, compare group, and explain exception. You should describe its chart, table, or graph in turn, explaining any trends or exception that you have seen between the group of data. Step 3.C. Writing the summary sentence and checking your work. You should summarize the key trends and the key exception that you have described in the main body. Summarize. Step 1. Analyze the task and data. Step 1.A. Static data or dynamic data. Step 1.B. Pay attention to the axis show. Step 2. Observe the data. Step 2.A. Group the data. Step 2.B. Identify trend and exception. Step 2.C. Select the main feature using figure. Step 3. Writing the essay. Step 3.A. Write the introduction sentence. Step 3.B. Write the main body paragraph. Step 3.C. Writing the summary sentence and check your work. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.